free of cost by the government of India. Chala costly treatment. It takes 8 to 10,000 per month. That we are giving free of cost. Good dinner sir, paisa levu na antaru. Paal taa glass ante na paisa levu sir antaru. So what that kind of system is there in our India. Where outcome cannot be like government has been advising so many things to the people. Itla dinu protein food dinu antu. And paisa SPM అనేది రోల్ ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. Treatment part is okay. Treatment is very good. Diagnostic equipments are standard of quality. But the implementation of program is not happening. Why? Because there is no cooperation and what a commitment from the company. But patient will listen to your advices. Got my point? The doctor, I kavalananukuntarama. You prescribe.
Of course, that will be dealt in detail by general medicine and pulmonology people. Okay, so as sir told, you need about diagnosis. Doctors will take care of that. So I have told many times in hospital infection control when I was discussing that TB, how it spreads first. You should know that. If you have any TB patient in your family or in your community surrounding your houses, you have to see
rate who are going for XDR. Untreated TB patient will infect 10 members. Don't feel comfortable and happy is exposed to TB at any time. So my request to all is know about TB and know about the precipitating factors which are tend to get infected with TB. Adi manam awareness create cheyali. And my request to all is don't think about treatment and diagnosis, think about preventive thing. Doctors are there to treat, but you should be first a motivator and mobilizer to initiate treatment and see that your treatment 100%. He gets cured and he will not infect other people, his family or the society. So got my point? Thank you.
thank you sir.
Initially 10-15 years back category 1 was only there. Ante ఒకసారి TB diagnose అయితే category 1 was given for 6 months. Now the people have started lining up in MDR TB. అంటే ఒక 6 months లా రికవరీ కాని పేషెంట్స్ because they are not continuing intensive phase and continuous phase follow కాకపోవడం వల్ల they are landing up in MDR TB, multi drug resistant TB. And I am telling you, this is a bigger pandemic than COVID. This is a bigger, you should as a medical student understand it, it's a bigger pandemic than a COVID. Enduku? Once an organism becomes MDR, whoever get infected with MDR will be the MDR patient only. Got my point? You can't give him category 1 for 6 months. You have to give him for 2 years MDR treatment only. అంటే అర్థమైందా? The organism is more intelligent than us. It is doing its duty, but we are not doing our duty. What I say? అర్థమైందా మీకు? You are future doctors. Organism is doing its duty, but we are not doing our duty. అంటే ఒక మనిషిగా మనము కరెక్ట్గా పోరాడలేము ఒక ఆర్గానిజంతో. We are failing in our system. That's why organism is getting resistant. Now people are developing XDR, extremely resistant TB. అంటే MDR కూడా ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ డ్రగ్ తీసుకోవడం కరెక్ట్ జరుగుతలేదు కాబట్టి people are landing with XDR.
Also regarding to the adherence of the treatment to the patient, but how whether the patient is following it that or not. First of all, adherence to the treatment. Second thing, prevention of the spread of that tuberculosis to other people. So as a MBBS student, you should raise awareness, you should educate your family members and the community regarding the TB spread. So may I know how the TB spreads? What is the mode of transmission? What is the mode of transmission? Inhalation, droplet, nuclear. So if a person with active tuberculosis should not enter into a crowded area, public area. If he is entering or if you are entering into a place where TB cases are more, we assume that. So which measure you will take? Which prevention measure you need to take? Mask. So personal protective equipment. So the same thing you have to teach to the student also. Treatment, diagnosis will be taken care by us. but raising awareness is very important for prevention of the spread of the tuberculosis. So, and what is respiratory hygiene and cough etiquette? As a BBS students, you should know how you will cough. You will cough like this. How you have to cough? I have told many times in my class. How you have to cough? Normally, the person should wear mask, otherwise a hanky, or if that is also not available, you have to cough in your flexed elbow only. So, if you follow these things, automatically the people who are looking at you, they will follow. So, with minimal things, minimal prevention, minimal measures we are taking, we can prevent the spread of tuberculosis. Prevention measures also, as MBBS students, you have to educate in the community, your family and surroundings. Understood? Thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్తే అండి. వరల్డ్ టీబీ డే పురస్కరించుకొని మనం ఈ మెడికల్ కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి టీబీ పైన క్విజ్ కాంపిటీషన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు, ప్రతి సంవత్సరం మనం మార్చ్ 24th రోజు వరల్డ్ టీబీ డే జరుపుకుంటున్నాము. ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే టీబీ గురించి ముఖ్యంగా ప్రజల్లో అవేర్నెస్ కల్పించడం, టీబీ ఎవరైతే లక్షణాలు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు ముందుగా వచ్చి మా దగ్గర టెస్ట్ చేయించుకోవడం, ఆ ట్యాబ్లెట్స్ వాడడం, దానివల్ల టీబీ సమాజంలో ఒకరి నుండి ఒకరికి వ్యాపించకుండా జాగ్రత్త పడడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ సంవత్సరం టీబీ తగ్గించడానికి వీ కెన్ ఎండ్ టీబీ ఇన్వెస్ట్ అండ్ డెలివర్ అనేది ఇయర్ స్లోగన్ అండి. సో దాని ప్రకారం మేము ఫస్ట్ ఇది స్టార్ట్ చేసాం ఇనిషియేటివ్. అదేవిధంగా స్కూళ్ళల్లో కూడా దీనికి సంబంధించిన కాంపిటీషన్ కండక్ట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. స్కూల్ పిల్లలు కూడా అవేర్నెస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మీకు తెలుసు, టీబీ మీద ప్రత్యేకమైనటువంటి ఫోకస్ ఉంది. సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ కానీ మన గవర్నమెంట్ కానీ, గవర్నమెంటు 2030 వరకు టీబీని అంతం చేయడానికి నిశ్చయించుకుంది.